my name is Wayne Baxter, President and founder of Monkey Wrench Brewing Company. We're a microbrewery in Suwanee, Georgia. We're excited to talk to you today. We have a great list of beers to share with you down the road. We have a great bartending staff, we have great social media managers, and we also are a true family business. My wife, Jane, works here as a special events coordinator, and my son, Brock, is a brewer. Monkey Wrench Brewing started in my backyard in Snellville, Georgia. Me and some friends bought a 1-gallon system, migrated to a 5-gallon system, and then to a 10-gallon system. After winning a few awards and sharing some great stories and memories, we decided to go pro. We're making construction progress. We're adding drains from our guys at Buchler. They have a nice drain system that helps us clear up all the tanks. All those tanks behind you are going to be here in 2 weeks. So we're excited about adding drains and expanding to our new system. Monkey Wrench Brewing is a microbrewery, but we're also expanding into distilling spirits. So that means we'll have gin, vodka, rum, and also whiskey drinks for our customers. We have a great event space. We host cornhole tournaments very frequently, in fact 2 or 3 times a week. We also have some great birthday parties here, wedding rehearsal dinners, and in fact we have 2 weddings planned for October. This honeycomb project will help our event space tremendously. We're building out 2 restrooms for the more people that are coming to our events. We're also going to have a new bar out there, a 25-foot tiki bar, and we're also adding the distillery, of course. So it's going to be great for all the different events that I mentioned and corporate events as well. So we're excited to have some mojito drinks like this, also some great rum drinks, and also some whiskey cocktails. So adding the cocktails, adding a bigger event space, and making everything look nicer is really going to help us ramp up our business quite a bit. A lot of customers love our craft beer, but sometimes they're always looking for the next beer that we might be making, maybe a new sour or IPA. But by adding spirits to it, it's going to just really enhance what we can do and what we can offer our customers. The Suwanee community has been very supportive of us from day one. We have customers across the street that walk over to get beers all the time. So we just love this area, the neighborhood. The town center is only about a mile away from us, and we're a quarter mile off the walking trail. Wayne and Leah here. We have some great beers to share with you today. We have a couple of great sours, On a Tangent and Adventures in Guava Land. But now we're going to pour one of our Brighter Future beers called Brighter Future. It's a hazy beer. And we also have Travel Pillows, another great hazy beer that we offer. So come on over to the tap room and try some of these great beers.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm out in the beer garden. It's over 6,000 square feet. We've had some cool events out here. We've had some little doggy parties out here with splash pools during the summer. And we have concerts over to my right. And it's just a cool space to come in the evening and chill out. We are Monkey Wrench Brewing, and guess what? We like to wrench it up a notch. I'd like to thank you for listening to our video and our stories and our visions. And together with you, we can grow to be a great facility in 2021 and beyond.